Sorry, I get a little excited. I just love lights. Hello guys, how are you today? David Franco here from davidfranco.co. Check it out right below. I appreciate your support. Today's video is all about lights. And ironically, the lighting's not too great for my face right now, but that's okay. That's okay. You guys don't need to worry about my face. You just need to worry about these beautiful lights behind me. It's no secret. I'm obsessed with LEDs. And I'm pretty sure any serious gamer out there can agree with me when I say this. Your gaming room, it needs lights. Seriously guys, if you're not PC gaming with lights or even console gaming with lights, then what are you waiting for? I mean, especially considering these kits are so affordable. This kit behind me costs maybe about $20, $25. And yeah, sure, you can get one for much cheaper, like this $10 one right over here. Boom. That wall now looks really cool. And yes, that's true guys. That kit cost me only about $10. But for one very good reason. Okay, so yeah, it works great. It looks great. I mean, especially for 10 bucks. Come on, $10 is not a lot of money for lights. However, there's one very important feature missing, and that's music mode. Or let's just call it a cheap sound activation mode. It basically uses a cheap microphone for the lights to react to sound. And thankfully, this kit right behind me supports that. Allow me to give you a demonstration. Let's go into iTunes here, and let's play Doki Doki. Very weird soundtrack, but a lot of fun to listen to. Now right now it's not doing anything, right? Of course, because I didn't activate music mode. Doki Doki, I love that. Just click on music. Let's go down here, right? Tap music, and now it's activating. Look at that, it activates per sound, or reacts is the better word. It reacts per sound. Very cool. There we go. Now we got a different song playing from the Yoshi's Woolly World soundtrack. This is actually a great example. And please, ignore those cables. That cable right there is new. I just have to route it. It's my HDMI cable coming from the TV. So there you have it. As you can see, it works fairly well. And of course, it reacts to your voice as well. So if you just want to talk and have the lights flash along with your voice, then you can. I don't see why you'd want to, but you know what? The option is there. Okay, so is music mode something you're going to be using constantly? Probably not, because honestly, it can get a little annoying. And by the way, that light you see back there, if you guys want a video about that in the future, let me know. Okay, so obviously this kit gives you so much more. God, they're bright. You can just do standard colors, like red, green, blue, which is actually a favorite of mine, and of course, white. They call it white, but it's kind of like a bluish white. I mean, it kind of looks white on camera, so that's cool. And of course, we have orange, yellow, more blues, purple, there you go. We got a pink, and well, you guys get the picture, right? And of course, we can also decrease brightness, so you don't have to have it blinding you at all times. You can make it very subtle, which I don't think looks bad, but you guys know me. I love my lights, so I typically like to max it out. And we can do fades. So there you go, kind of fade from red to black, red to black. And of course, when I say black, I mean just off. Switch to another mode. Nice and simple. But my favorite is the fade, when it basically goes through every single color on this remote. Give it a second. It'll get there. As you can see, it's going from red to orange to yellow. And it's very slow and consistent, which I think is great. It's kind of to the point where it's noticeable, but it's not obnoxiously noticeable, if that makes sense. So, there you have it. That right there is my favorite mode. And of course, if you want to turn it off, boom. You just hit the off button, turn it back on, boom, and you are good to go. So guys, what do you think? Do you want LEDs in your setup? If so, make it happen using the link right below. yeah, if you can't figure this out by now, I'm trying to make a lot of videos based on my setup because I'm obviously quite proud of my PC gaming setup. I love it. This PC is my baby. I'm telling you guys, this PC alone has dramatically changed my room. It's inspired me to do things like this. A giant sheets blanket. Why not? Put my lights over there. Put a light over there. Put a light behind my PC. Which again, if you want a video on that, let me know. So, there you have it. A basic video about a very cool lighting kit. And well, I suppose that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video, right? I mean, look at that. Why wouldn't you want this in your room? It just looks so sweet. Peace.